A couple weeks ago, I decided to completely uproot my life and move across the country from California to Florida. Moving your entire life and all of your belongings across the country is definitely intimidating, but you can achieve anything if you just break it down and go step by step. You give thanks and say goodbye to your old life. You turn towards the sun and you welcome new horizons. You call people you know you can count on for support, and you don't take your eyes off your goal till you get there. When I finally saw the giant pink moving truck backing into my driveway, I was so excited. Honestly, I never would have been able to do this without my moving team from Piece of Cake. Their entire team was so wonderful and flexible. They even stored our stuff for a month while we searched for a place. If you've ever moved before, you know how stressful it can be. Piece of Cake not only took great care of our stuff, but their guys were so helpful and so kind. It was such a positive moving experience for both my mom and I, and we're so very grateful. If your next big step in life includes making a big move, you can definitely call Piece of Cake and you will be in great hands.